I'm back today to do a video of me pretty much just installing some deep wave Brazilian hair that I have. I'm gonna try to wear it. Tomorrow's my birthday, so I'm gonna wear it for my birthday. So what you see is I washed and conditioned my hair and twisted it up in like a small twist. This is the hair, and this is a wig that I made with the closure. You see the strap, and then the wig cap with the little tabs on the back. This in half because it's easier to work with. I got hair in my mouth. But yeah, so I'm splitting it in half, and then I'm gonna work on each side. I'm gonna do like a section at a time on each side, and I'll show you. Well, I can do one section and tell you what I'm gonna do instead of just going through it, blowing through it like I normally do. Well, like I had planned to do. So basically, I'm going to try to comb each section out. Then spray my water. And I try to spray it like till it's actually wet. Like, it don't have to be soaking wet, like with water just dripping off of it, but I try to spray it. Well, there's water dripping on it. But yeah, I try to spray it a good bit. Then I brush it. And then I add this Hawaiian Silky Miracle Worker 14-in-1. I just spray it in my hands. Like that much. And then I just work it through the hair, because this hair gets very, very dry. Like I can use oil or whatever, but using the Hawaiian Silky and this Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie, it keeps it from drying out so quick. Because if you don't put stuff on it, it will dry out, but that's our hair anyway. But I will save a lot of those details for the review video that I will probably do this weekend. And I'm saying I'll do it this weekend because I'm wearing this hair, I've had this hair for over a year. So it's not like I'm just putting it in today, which is a Monday, and then coming to you this weekend with a review on the hair. And you know, I only wore it for a week. I've had it for over a year, so I'm more than likely to do a review on Monday this weekend, probably Friday or Saturday. And that's because I got something new that I want to do to my hair after the videos. But anyway, so that's what I do to each section. And I may, and then I try to scrunch it a little bit. And I may, what you call it, diffuse it. Y'all know, I ain't gonna diffuse it. I'm just gonna let it dry. But this is what it looks like. So after I do that, this is what it looks like compared to what it's looking like over there. So let me get back to work, and I'm gonna go back to listening to music, and I will see y'all shortly. I know. So this is the finished look. And that braid that I did right here, I pinned that back here. I put it behind my ear and I stuck a pin in it. So I pinned that part back. But this is what it's looking like. And this is the back. I can't remember the inches of the hair, but it's pretty long because it comes down to my butt and I'm 5'4". So I'm thinking it's a 26, but I'm not sure. But I'll have all that information in the review video. I just wanted to show you like how I put it on or whatever and what I do to it to get the curls popping. Because as you saw in the beginning of the video, the hair was dry and it didn't have any curl definition. It was just all over the place. So this is normally what I do, and I probably do it maybe every other night. And honestly, honestly, it's probably because when I go to sleep, I just put a bonnet on. Like, I don't twist it, I don't do nothing. I just put a bonnet on, go to sleep, wake up the next morning, and take the bonnet off, and I go. So I hope this helps somebody. Like if you got some curly hair and you don't know what to do with it, or some deep wave hair, I hope this helped you in styling your hair or whatever. And I will see you guys in the review video very, 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 very soon. Okay, oh yeah, I forgot to tell y'all, so tomorrow's my birthday. So give your girl a thumbs up and comment below and tell me happy birthday, y'all. It's my birthday. Well, my birthday will be tomorrow, but still, it's my birthday. So yeah, y'all like my video, comment below, let your girl, holler at me, tell me happy birthday, show me some love or whatnot. Subscribe to my channel for more videos because I'm coming at you with some more stuff. I got another hairstyle I want to do and I want to share it with y'all. So subscribe to my channel. Thumbs up this video because it's my birthday. And hit your girl up in the comments below, y'all. Let me know y'all love me. Tell me happy birthday. Show your girl some love, please. And I thank you. But I'll see y'all later. Bye.